What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because today we're diving into something that's absolutely exploding right now in 2026. We're talking about how regular people, not just tech giants or Silicon Valley startups, are actually making real money with AI. And I'm not talking about some distant future or hypothetical scenarios. This is happening right now, today, and some of these methods might surprise you. By the end of this video, you're going to understand the most profitable AI opportunities in 2026, which ones are oversaturated, which ones still have room to grow, and most importantly, which ones you can actually start with minimal investment. So the first way people are making serious money with AI in 2026 is by running what I call AI content studios. Now, this isn't your 2023 version where someone just pumps out generic ChatGPT articles. The game has completely changed. What's happening now is that entrepreneurs are combining multiple AI tools to create full production pipelines. We're talking about YouTube channels, podcasts, newsletters, and social media accounts that are almost entirely AI generated, but feel incredibly human and personalized. Here's a real example. There's a guy named Marcus who runs a network of niche YouTube channels about home improvement, gardening, and DIY projects. He uses AI to research trending topics, generate scripts, create voiceovers with cloned voices that sound completely natural, and even generate B-roll footage using the latest video generation models. His team of 3 people manages 15 channels that collectively pull in about $40,000 a month. The key here is specialization. The people making money aren't creating generic content. They're going deep into specific niches where they can establish authority and where audiences actually want this information. Think medical explainers, legal advice for specific situations, financial breakdowns for certain demographics. The tools have gotten so good that the bottleneck isn't quality anymore. It's distribution and understanding what audiences actually want. The creators winning in this space are the ones who understand their audience deeply and use AI to scale their expertise, not replace human insight entirely. They're not just hitting generate and uploading. They're curating, editing, adding their own perspective, and making sure everything aligns with their brand voice. The second big opportunity is becoming an AI automation consultant for small and medium businesses. This is probably one of the most lucrative and sustainable ways to make money with AI right now. Here's what's happening. By 2026, AI tools are incredibly powerful, but most small business owners have no idea how to implement them. They're overwhelmed by the options. They don't know what's actually useful versus what's just hype, and they definitely don't have time to figure it out themselves. That's where AI automation consultants come in. These are people who understand the AI landscape and can help businesses integrate AI into their actual workflows. We're talking about automating customer service with sophisticated chatbots, setting up AI-powered email marketing sequences, implementing AI tools for inventory management, creating automated social media systems, stuff like that. The beautiful part about this is you don't need to be a programmer. You need to understand how different AI platforms work, how to connect them using tools like Zapier or Make, and most importantly, you need to understand business processes. I know someone named Sarah who was working in marketing for a local agency. She spent 6 months learning different AI tools and how to implement them. Now she charges between $3,000 and $10,000 per project to set up automation systems for small businesses. She's booked out 3 months in advance and makes more in a month than she used to make in half a year. The businesses love it because they're saving time and money, and she loves it because she's getting paid well to solve real problems. This isn't going away anytime soon because there are millions of small businesses that still haven't adopted AI in any meaningful way. Now, the third way people are making money, and this one's really interesting, is creating personalized AI products. What I mean by this is using AI to create highly customized products at scale, something that was basically impossible before. Let me give you some examples. There are people making money by creating personalized children's books where AI generates stories featuring the child's name, appearance, and interests. The parents upload a photo and answer a few questions, and boom! A completely unique storybook gets generated and printed. Others are creating personalized workout plans, meal plans, and coaching programs. The AI analyzes someone's goals, restrictions, preferences, and current fitness level. then generates a completely customized program. They're charging anywhere from $50 to $200 for these plans. There's also a massive market for personalized learning materials. Teachers and parents are paying for AI-generated workbooks, practice problems, and study guides that are tailored to a specific student's learning level and interests. The magic formula here is combining AI generation with a specific pain point that people are willing to pay to solve. The personalization is the value add. Anyone can get generic information for free now, but something made specifically for you or your child or your unique situation, that's worth paying for. What's working in 2026 is when creators add a human touch on top of the AI generation. Maybe it's a personal video message, a consultation call, or hand-picked recommendations. The AI handles the heavy lifting of customization, but there's still a human element that makes it feel premium. The fourth way is AI-enhanced freelancing, and this is probably the most accessible option for people watching this video right now. Freelancers who have figured out how to use AI as a productivity multiplier are absolutely crushing it. We're talking about writers, designers, programmers, marketers, all using AI to deliver better work faster, which means they can either charge more or take on more clients. Here's the thing though, the freelancers making money aren't just using AI to pump out low-quality work faster. They're using it strategically. A writer might use AI to handle research and first drafts, then spend their time on the high-value work of refining, adding unique insights, and crafting compelling narratives. A designer might use AI to generate dozens of concept variations instantly, then use their expertise to select and refine the best ones. What's really interesting in 2026 is that clients are starting to expect AI integration. If you're a freelancer who isn't using AI tools, you're probably slower and more expensive than your competition. But if you're transparent about using AI as a tool while still delivering quality, personalized work, clients are happy because they're getting better results. I've seen graphic designers using AI image generation to create custom illustrations for clients in a fraction of the time it used to take. Web developers are using AI coding assistants to build websites faster and with fewer bugs. Copywriters are using AI to test dozens of headlines and variations before presenting the best options to clients. The key is positioning yourself not as an AI prompter, but as an expert in your field who leverages AI as one tool among many. You're selling outcomes and expertise, not just the AI output. The fifth way people are making money is through AI training and education, and this market is absolutely exploding right now. There's a massive gap between how powerful AI tools have become and how many people actually know how to use them effectively. People are making money by teaching others how to use AI in specific contexts. This could be online courses, one-on-one coaching, workshop facilitation for companies, or creating educational content on platforms like YouTube, Udemy, or Skillshare. But here's what's different in 2026 compared to a couple years ago. The market is way more sophisticated now. Generic courses about how to use ChatGPT aren't selling anymore. What's working is hyper-specific training for particular use cases. For example, teaching real estate agents how to use AI for listing descriptions, market analysis, and client communication. Teaching teachers how to use AI to create lesson plans and assignments while avoiding plagiarism issues. Teaching small business owners how to use AI for bookkeeping and financial forecasting. The more niche you go, the more you can charge because you're solving a very specific problem for a very specific audience. Someone who creates a course teaching dentists how to use AI for patient communication and practice management can charge way more than someone with a generic AI course. There are also people making money by helping companies train their employees on AI tools. Businesses are investing heavily in AI right now, but they need their teams to actually know how to use these tools effectively. Corporate training in AI is a massive opportunity if you can position yourself as an expert. The creators winning in the education space are the ones who are staying current, showing real results, and teaching practical applications rather than just theoretical knowledge. They're not selling hype, they're selling transformation and actual usable skills that people can apply immediately in their work or business. The sixth way might surprise you, but there's real money in providing data and training services for AI companies. The AI models we use every day need massive amounts of data to improve, and companies are willing to pay for it. This takes a few different forms. Some people are doing data labeling and annotation work, where they're helping tag and categorize data that trains AI models. Others are participating in what's called human feedback training, where they're evaluating AI outputs and helping models learn what good responses look like. There are also opportunities in creating synthetic training data, testing AI models for accuracy and bias, and providing specialized domain expertise to improve AI in specific fields. Now, I'll be honest, this isn't going to make you rich quickly. The pay varies a lot depending on the complexity of the work. Basic data labeling might pay $15 to $25 an hour, while specialized expertise like medical or legal annotation can pay significantly more, sometimes over $100 an hour. What's interesting in 2026 is the rise of platforms that connect domain experts with AI companies that need their knowledge. If you're a doctor, lawyer, engineer, or specialist in any field, there are companies that will pay you to help train AI models in your area of expertise. Some people are also making money by identifying biases and problems in AI systems. Companies are increasingly aware that they need diverse perspectives to make sure their AI works for everyone, so they're paying for that input. So there you have it, 6 real ways people are making money with AI in 2026. Running AI content studios that create specialized content at scale, becoming an AI automation consultant, helping businesses implement AI tools, creating personalized AI products that solve specific problems, AI-enhanced freelancing, where you use AI to deliver better work faster, teaching others how to use AI through courses and training, and providing data and expertise to help improve AI models. Now, here's my honest take. The people making real money with AI in 2026 aren't the ones chasing every new shiny tool or trying to fully automate everything. They're the ones who understand that AI is a tool to enhance human creativity, expertise, and efficiency. The opportunities are real, but they require effort, learning, and most importantly, finding where you can add unique value. AI has lowered the barrier to entry for a lot of things, which means competition is fierce. The winners are the ones who combine AI capabilities with genuine expertise, understanding of their audience, and consistent execution. If you're thinking about getting into any of these areas, my advice is to start small. Pick one thing, get really good at it, and focus on delivering real value to real people. The money will follow. What do you think? Are you already making money with AI? What opportunities do you see that I didn't mention? Drop a comment below. I read every single one. If you found this valuable, smash that like button and subscribe for more content about making money and building businesses in the AI age. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.